Cat muscle, practical review.
Oh, because they're
Legs.
moving.
Yeah!
Alright, so we'll start down here. So here we've got the tibia bone. And so on the top we have our tibialis anterior. And next to that we have the extensor digitorum longus. This way we have the flexor digitorum longus.
Move that to the side.
Yeah, if we move that to the side, you can see the tendon of the tibialis posterior, and it follows up there. Here's the gastrocnemius, and right there's the soleus. If we flip them over, we've got the Achilles tendon, and underneath that we've got the flexor hallucis longus. And then we're back to the extensor digitorum longus. The peroneus muscles, and then the extensor digitorum longus. So these are the peroneus muscles. Alright, we can go up to the back of the thigh. So the big muscle is the bicep femoris. Here we've got this semitendinosus and semimembranosus is in there. This is the sartorius, and this is the gracilis. If we pull back the gracilis, we can see the semimembranosus better, and then that would be the semitendinosus again. Here we have the adductor longus and the adductor magnus, which are two different muscles.
No, that's the
Femoris, right, magnus is one. Okay, so adductor femoris and adductor longus. And in here is our pectineus, and the femoral nerve runs right next to it. Alright, the iliopsoas is right in here at the hip. And then we have our vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, the rectus femoris, and if we pull that up, in there we have the vastus intermedius.
Can you point out the iliopsoas again?
Yes, the iliopsoas is right in here, where the hip is.
You also have the fascia lata. Right there. You have the tensor fascia lata.
The cauda femoralis. You've got your gluteus maximus and the gluteus medius. Underneath is the piriformis. Do you see that?
Pull that back again.
Which one is it?
It's under this.
So the piriformis is under the gluteus maximus. It's just a really
Right there.
tiny muscle.
And the sciatic nerve runs in it.
Okay. It dives underneath it. The piriformis.
It says right underneath this.
Look at these.
Sure it did.
I already got those.
You already said solus and Achilles tendon?
Gastrocnemius, the solus, Achilles tendon.
Okay, so that's it for this section?
Yes, that's it.